How to resize an image or a photo taken with your Samsung phone, or even a photo that you might have transferred over from another device. And this is the Galaxy A54 or any other Samsung phone with Android 14 One UI 6.0. In order to do this, you'll of course want to go into the gallery app of your Samsung phone itself and then find the photo that you want to do this for. So I'll just go here for now, and just to give you an idea of how this works here, you'll find the photo. And once in this view mode here, you'll tap on that edit icon right there. So go ahead and tap on that here. You'll notice how it's going to appear like this here now with a dark background. And then to the top right, you'll see these three dots here. Go ahead and tap on that, and resize is one of them. As you go into here, you'll see the resize options. It's going to show you the original size of the photo itself. However, you can change it to a smaller size here. Maybe I want to go to 60% there, and I'll press done, but it's not saved yet. So if you want to completely overwrite this original photo, go with save. However, if you want to keep the original photo and just have a copy, which would be the new resized version, tap on the three dots once again, and then you'll see save as copy. When you do this, this is going to save it as a copy, keeping the original one and then creating a copy of the new resized version. Hopefully this guide helped you. Like and sub.